In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Zweig Market Breadth Thrust Indicator in TradingView Pro quick and easy guide. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView Pro account and have a chart open for any market you want to analyze. Once your chart is up on the screen, look towards the top of the interface for the Indicators button. This is usually located near the toolbar above your chart. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This opens a new window where you can search for and manage all of your technical tools. Inside this Indicators window, you'll see a search bar at the top. This is where you'll quickly find what you need instead of scrolling through a long list. Click inside that search bar so it's active and ready for typing. Now, carefully type Zweig Market Breadth Thrust Indicator into the search bar. Take your time and make sure the spelling is correct so TradingView can pull up the right indicator. As you type, TradingView will automatically start filtering results. When you see the Zweig Market Breadth Thrust Indicator appear in the list below the search bar, select it. As soon as you click it, the indicator will be added directly to your chart, usually in a separate panel below the price. Once it's on your chart, the next important step is to adjust the settings so it matches your trading style and is easy for you to read. Look for the small settings icon on the indicator's title area, usually a gear symbol. Click that to open the settings menu. Here, you can fine-tune things like colors, line thickness, and sometimes specific calculation inputs depending on how the script was written. Customize the visuals so they stand out clearly against your chart background. This will help you quickly interpret signals, especially when you are watching multiple indicators at once. If you're not already using TradingView Pro and you want access to the same tools and layout shown in this tutorial, use the link provided in my video description to sign up. It's a convenient way to get started with the pro features that make working with indicators, like the Zweig Market Breadth Thrust, much smoother and more efficient. That's all you need to do. Open Indicators, use the search bar, add the Zweig Market Breadth Thrust indicator, adjust your settings, and, if needed, sign up using the link in the description.